Welcome to Toro NSN's Training in 10, an innovative, self-paced training module that allows you to get trained and get going. Today's topic is utilizing the database report screen. While this presentation is focused on SitePro 2.0 versions and higher, the principles apply to all versions of SitePro. This training module will cover topics including: where can I find the database information? What are the typical uses and how can I gather the information, such as programs, groups, satellites, stations, and the hydraulic system. How to generate reports, how to save the report, and how to print these reports, and other future training in 10 options designed to help you become a better manager of your Toro SitePro system. Let's start by clicking on the Reports tab highlighted in purple. Now we will click on the database report icon that looks like the yellow file cabinet, now highlighted in purple. The first screen is the control system and the programs. This screen allows you to select information concerning the programs, such as the program's name, number, percent adjustment, etc. So how can we select these individual items in our system? You can select up to 8 various data items. The selection process is accomplished one of 2 ways. The first is the Shift key method. First, click on an item. Then, holding the Shift key, select no more than a total of 8 items in a block, as shown here. You can also select up to 8 various data items by using the Control key method. This is accomplished by clicking on the item, then holding the Control key and clicking on the other items you wish to look at, one at a time. Once the items are selected, you must select an output to show this information. One is to the screen. The other is to the printer. Once you have selected an output item, then you must click on Show. We will review this report later in the presentation. The next control system item is groups. You can select for an individual group or for all groups within the system. There are several data items available to view, such as name, percent adjust, and amperage. The next control system item is satellites. You are able to select various informations concerning all satellites within all groups, or you can sort it to individual groups and all satellites, or you can sort it all the way down to the individual satellite in an individual group. And some of that information is satellite number, name, number of stations, etc. The final control system item is stations. This may be the most important part of the whole control system. In this screen, you can show various information concerning each station. As this screen shows, it can be sorted via each individual satellite in a group, or all satellites together, or all satellites in all groups. Selecting for an individual satellite in its own group is recommended. Here we have selected 8 data items utilizing the Shift key method. Now we click Show to view the selected data. Here is the selected 8 data items. This screen may show information you do not utilize on a regular basis, so maybe we need to alter our selection process. Here we have selected the various data items utilizing the Control key method. This would allow you to fine-tune the search and compare the SitePro data to the actual field information. Now click Show to view the information. This screen now shows the selected station data. This information will allow you, the manager of the irrigation system, to compare the SitePro data to the actual field information. You can save this data to a file by clicking on the file, or you can send it directly to the printer by clicking Print. A suggestion is to print this report and place it inside a sealable bag. Then tape it inside the satellite for future references or to utilize when you make field changes in your irrigation system. The other tab is for the hydraulic system. This screen will allow you to draw comparisons to the hydraulic system within SitePro and your actual irrigation system. The key to all these data report screens is to make sure you have the current information from the field in SitePro to help your system run efficiently. SitePro is only as good as the information loaded in it. Well, another 10 minutes have gone by, and you have just completed another episode of NSN's Training in 10. Today's topic has been utilizing the database report screen in SitePro. We hope that this Training in 10 lesson was helpful for you to better understand this helpful tool, and that it helps further enhance your career working with the #1 irrigation central control product available, Toro SitePro. Be sure to keep looking for future installments of NSN's Training in 10, the self-paced training module that allows you to get trained and get going. If you have any questions about this or about future training module releases, or if you would like to participate in one of our acclaimed Toro SitePro regional training classes, please contact us by calling 888-676-8676, option 2. Once again, that's 888-676-8676, option 2. Toro and Toro's National Support Network.